As a new mom, I receive hundreds of advices from my friends, family, and house helps to keep my baby safe and healthy.
बेटा इसको बाहर मत ले जा, इसको खांसी हो जाएगी।
बेबी कल आर्या को बहुत खांसी हो रही थी। आई थिंक एयर प्योरीफायर इज मस्ट ना। बाहर कितना ज्यादा पोल्यूशन है।
भाभी इससे रोज बाबू का नजर उतारना, उससे इसका हेल्थ सही रहेगा।
Isn't it what we all hear as new moms? But what everyone forgets is that a mom knows it best for her child. And that's why, before trying any nuska, I decided to create a safe place for me and my little one by installing Fenesta Windows at our place, which provide insulation against pollution and also prevent dust buildup, making my house a safer and a better place to live in, just like a mother's lap for her baby.